Okay, so let's look at this one because it's kind of fun, and sometimes students get a little tripped up about how this happens. So this is you. This is your mom. This is your dad. And they both made you, right? And it says that both of your number 9 chromosomes have a genetic anomaly. So if we draw your chromosomes, let's first think about where they came from, right? So one of your chromosomes came from your dad, and one of your chromosomes came from your mom. And they both have this funny genetic anomaly on them, right? So then the answer is, or the question is, where did those come from? Well, we've already answered that, really. That means that one of them had to have come from your mother with that genetic anomaly, right? And the other one had to come from your father with that genetic anomaly. Now, do we know anything about their other chromosome, whether it had a genetic anomaly or not? We have no idea, right? Some students like to guess that because you have both of them, that one of your parents probably had both of them. But remember, when you get a pair of chromosomes, one comes from your mother and one comes from your father. So there's no way of knowing what the other one looks like unless they're showing some phenotype that would suggest they also have the disease.